Alright, hey, what's up? In this video, we're gonna review a trade that I made back in December 21 that made me $15,000. I was honestly not expecting any gains for the month of December as the market pretty much wasn't there for my strategy. It's not a lot, but I'm so thankful for it. Let's see how it happened. The ticker was TRT. I entered the trade initially on December 7th. Of course, with the help of TipTicks, the algorithm using trade stocks. My initial buy-in was around $9 and cut was 7.2. I got around 2,000 shares. And as always, I determine how much I'm going to lose whenever I get into a trade. So for this one, if I was wrong on it, I would have lost 3,000 something. To be honest, this trade was a little challenging. It didn't move right away how I expected it to. So when it was retracing, I gave myself two options. It was either follow the original cut or exit the position right away and buy it back in case the stock proves me wrong. I decided to go for the latter, cut the position at 8.14, took the $2,000 loss and kept an eye on it in case my decision would be proven wrong. Well, I was proven wrong. So I went back in the stock on December 15 upon it showing strength, added some more when it slightly corrected, ending up with 7,500 shares with a cut of 850, risking around $7,500. Being proven wrong the first time around gave me more confidence on this new engagement, the reason for sizing bigger. As always, I rode the trade and used the 5-day moving average to trail my profit. I was expecting this to go to at least $15, so I didn't sell when this was 13 to 13. $15 never materialized, and my trail profit was hit on December 28th at 11:40, resulting to just $17,000 win. I tried to enter the trade again when the algorithm said so, this time with a smaller number of shares. I think it was only 3,000 shares, risking $3,000. At this point, it's almost end of the year. I was too scared to return money, so when TRT didn't search the day after I got in, I went out of the trade close to entry, incurring a little loss, and called it a year. TRT was my last trade for the year of 21. It reminded me that being ready pays off no matter how boring the market is, and that being patient with your A+ setups to manifest is a difference maker in this game. It's nice to close the year with a win. I really didn't expect it. It just showed up, and I'm gonna carry this momentum all the way to 22. Yeah, this year. Summing things up, this is how the portfolio performed from last time around. I had some minor losses, but it's part of the game. As long as I end up in green, that's all that matters to me. Again, if you're curious about the algorithm that I'm using, TipTicks, check it out at tipticks.com. I hope you do sub in this channel. I want to change my URL from this lengthy address to a shorter one, and I can only do that if I have 100. I don't know what to expect for 22. It's already been a week into the new year, and I still haven't made any trades. I'm just gonna stay ready, trade right, wait for my setups. Everything else will follow. I learned a lot in 21. Hopefully those can elevate my game to a higher level. Till then, I'll see you. Peace. Bye. I think I'm done. Yeah. I hope I did it right this time.